Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by building the minimal dataset that drives the Gantt. Create task, start date, duration in days, and compute end as start plus duration. Convert the range to an Excel table so additions update charts automatically. Once done, make sure dates are real Excel dates and format them mm/dd/yi so axis scales correctly. This early precision prevents misaligned bars later. Now you're ready to transform the table into a chart. Don't skip converting the range to a table. You next insert a stacked bar chart using start as the first series and duration as the second. Select the start series and set fill to no fill so only duration appears as task bars. This creates the Gantt look. Once that's set, reverse the category order and position the horizontal date axis at the top. Then change the axis bounds and major units to match project dates. This alignment gives readable timescale and consistent bar placement across all tasks. You finalize the chart by adding progress. Create a % complete series and overlay it as a narrower bar or show % data labels on each task so stakeholders see status at a glance. Then add visual aids, a semi-transparent series for weekends or a baseline series for planned vs actual. Once finished, export or print using landscape and fit to width. If bars shift or dates misalign, check that start and end are true dates and the table rows aren't text. That fix resolves most layout errors immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.